here is how we're going to use AI conversion rate hacking to build a profitable e-commerce dropshipping store and see instant results and get more money from each of our customers. This is lesson 8 out of our 10 lesson course that is going to teach you how to build your first e-commerce store. Now in this lesson, I want to talk to you about understanding average order value and cost per acquisition. If we can get each customer on our store to pay us more money, how much is that going to have an effect on our business and how we're going to make more profit from that? How we can do conversion rate optimization using AI and gathering information from customers and using that information to improve our marketing and improve our conversion rates on our landing page, and then also how we can add social proof to our business to increase the conversion rates. So we built this product here. Sorry, this one here, which is obviously like a natural acne scar removal, right? And if you've watched episodes or lessons 4 and 7, you'll see how I built this landing page designed to sell people using an advertorial. You can pause this, you can have a quick read through these first couple of paragraphs to get an idea of how this works. But if you remember, we actually had a 4-step process of things we need to think about before we write our advertorial to get somebody to buy our product. And each one of those customers who comes to our store has limiting beliefs. We spoke about limiting beliefs in episode 7. And these are some examples of acne problems that they've had, problems they've had with products before. So for example, how long until I get results? Does it ever come back? How long do I have to take it for? That sort of stuff, right? These are things that stop people from buying. So the theory is if we can answer all of these questions in our advertorial, they have no choice but to purchase our product. But the problem comes when somebody comes to our website and they have questions about a product that they can't get answered. And if we haven't thought of something, we need to know what's stopping them from buying. So if you've ever been in the position where nobody's bought from your store, you need to use that. And you basically need a way of gathering the information from people and then implementing that onto your website. So what we've done is we've integrated our AI support system and product recommendation chatbot into this website. And this is the software that I used when I worked with this e-commerce brand, right? So this e-commerce brand was doing about $1,000 to $5,000 per day in revenue. And I spent a long time working with them throughout the month, improving their landing pages, increasing conversion rates and average order values. We did a lot of this by building advertorials for each product. And then what we did is we plugged an AI sales agent into their website, which was able to answer people's questions. And obviously from that, increase conversion rates. Because if somebody has a limiting belief that's stopping them from purchasing, and we can answer those questions the second they're happening while they're in the frame of mind to buy, we're going to get more people purchasing our product. And that's the general idea of this solution. So you can see here I've set it up as an AI personal shopping assistant, and this shopping assistant is trained on our website. I've added in an extra product. We've got this acne skin smoothing cream. I've just copied the description for the product from somebody else's site. But you get the idea, right? It's an acne skin smoothing moisturizing cream. So what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that we're a customer on this website and we're going to get product recommendations and see if it can actually sell us on a specific product. So for example, I've asked it, does this acne treatment actually work? I've pasted it in here twice, but you get the idea. Yes, the products are specifically designed to use natural remedies to solve acne. Over 1,000 customers have reported that after using natural acne skin patches, it cleared in a matter of months. And it's also said, I recommend pairing the skin patches with the acne moisturizing cream. So now what we're going to do is we're going to ask it about that cream. So I've said, can you tell me about the acne skin moisturizer? It's going to go ahead and read that product page and give me some information on that specific product. So it says the acne skin smoothing cream moisturizer is a next generation moisturizer. Recommend pairing the moisturizer with the acne patches for best results. Most customers who try the skincare products pairing these together see results within weeks, and many have reported it cleared their acne for good, right? So it's actually selling us the product while we're on the page. So as a customer, when I'm talking to this chatbot, I'm getting instant answers to my questions. And then it's done something really cool. It said you can find more information and purchase the acne skin smoothing cream here. What happens when I click this link? It's going to go ahead and build a shopping cart for me automatically with that other product already set up for me. But what happens if I want more information about this product in the middle of the conversation? So for example, this product allows me to buy different patches. So amount of patches. So I can get a pack of 5, 10 or 20. I want more information about that. So I said, okay, what's the difference between a pack of 5, 10 and 20 for the patches? It's going to go ahead and read that information from the site, and it's going to give me a breakdown of how it works. So it contains 50 patches, suitable for those who have fewer acne spots to treat, ideal for those with moderate acne, and then obviously more severe problems or larger areas to cover. Each pack size offers different quantity, right? And you can adjust the way this AI is responding if you decide you want to change how it's selling that product. Okay, cool. So let's just say for now, right, I'm sold on the product. I know how this works. I've read the advertorial and I know that both of these two products work well together. So I'm going to say to it, I'd like to get 20 patches of the acne patches. So I want to get the pack of 20, and I also want to get one skin moisturizer as well. Also, I want to know when it's going to arrive. So it's going to head, and it's built me a shopping cart with both of those products in there. And it says once you complete your order, your items will typically arrive within 3 days for shipping and 1 day for processing. If you have any further questions, please let me know by submitting a support ticket, right? So what happens when I click this link is it's now built me a new shopping cart with the pack of 20 acne patches and also the smoothing cream moisturizer. So now, rather than what I would have done before, which is come onto the website and bought a pack of 5 for £21, I have now increased my average order value to £90 because this chatbot has told me to use this product with this product, and it's also told me to buy as many patches as possible. And you can obviously update and change how this AI is responding. Okay, so that has a huge effect. So let's just do that calculation, right? Beforehand, we would have bought a product for £21. So ignore the conversion of the numbers in here, right? Let's just say £21, that's going to cost us. And we'll just say, for argument's sake, that there is no cost to acquire a customer, okay? We have a product cost of $10. Somebody would have bought a product for $21. If we get 200 clicks to our website, we would make $1,600 per month from somebody buying that one product. That's where most people would be buying our product, okay? But now what we've done is we've got the AI to increase our conversion rate and also recommend us 2 products. So it's upsold us onto a pack of 20, and it's also upsold us onto this product. So we're going to increase our product price slightly because we've obviously increased the number of patches, and also we've included this product here, right? So, and our price has gone from £21 to £90, okay? So our price is going to be 9 to 1. Let's just increase our product cost from 10 to 15, okay? Because obviously we've added in the moisturizer and we've got more patches. Then we're going to increase our price to £90, and I want you to see what happens here for that value, okay? Let me do that properly. So our product, our shipping cost, let's change that actually to 20. So it's going to cost us 20 to ship those products out. At the moment, right, we're making $1,600 profit per month. Then what we're going to do is we're going to increase the price of our product, how much we make. This is our average order value, to £90. And now we've made $10,000 in a month. So we've 10x'd almost our revenue, we've 10x'd our profit in that 1 month just by increasing our average order value using my software. It's honestly shocks me how much of a difference this can make, okay? And even if we say it's not going to sell us for 90, even if we sell it for 30, right? So we've gone from £21 to £30, and obviously we would decrease this probably back to about 15, right? We've still increased the amount of profit we've made from 1,600 to 2,250. So we're still making more profit, and that is only if a few people are buying more products. We don't need every single customer to upsell and buy a product. But again, here's the really cool thing. We're adding tracking links to the end of that order page, okay? Sorry, this is the one we just created. There's a UTM tracking link, which means now within our analytics, we can see how many people have bought products using this software. We can see how many people are getting recommendations. But also, when we come into the software, which looks like this, if we come into the messaging section, we can actually look at that specific chatbot. We can see the conversation that person was having with our chatbot, and we can see how the AI has responded. So imagine this, right? If we are building a chatbot, we've got something on our website, and somebody visits our site here, and they're asking questions, and they come to the chatbot, and let's just start a new conversation, okay? They come to our chatbot and they ask it something like, so we're going to try this. We're going to say, can I wear makeup over the acne patches? This is something that's not written on the website. This information is not there. The AI has said, yes, you can wear makeup over the acne patches. It's a common practice to apply makeup over hydrocolloid patches as they are quite thin and discreet. Just make sure the patch is securely in place, blah, 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 blah. So it's answering that customer's question, even though that information is not on our website. Now, there is an element here of you want to make sure the chatbot's not going to invent things, and the chatbot isn't necessarily inventing this. It knows what these patches are, right? It's using the language model's intelligence and just general knowledge about these patches, and it knows that people do wear makeup over these products. So it fills in the blanks, okay? So on your site, if you haven't got that information on there, that could be something that stops someone from buying the product, okay? So now, when we come to the chatbot here, we come into the messages section, we can see that conversation has come through. Can I wear makeup? Yes. So now we can look at the chat history and we can say, right, this is something we should probably add to our website. And if we add that information to our website, then we, as a ChatIQ, as our company, if we're managing this for you, by the way, if you want this, the link is down below. You can book a call with me. we can then go ahead and update the data within the data feed. So the chatbot now has access to that most latest update on your website. And obviously you can see how this is going to increase conversion rates just by answering customers' questions. And obviously when you're building the chatbot, we can train it and we can see how it's going to respond in different cases. So when we work with an e-commerce brand, we basically build up a load of question and answers that we think people will ask. And then we're going to use that information to train the chatbot. So in this case, this person's then said, okay, cool, I guess it's not waterproof though. Patches are typically not waterproof as they're designed to absorb excess oil and impurities in the skin. It's recommended to avoid getting them wet. If you have any other specific concerns using these patches, feel free to ask me for any guidance. So it's answering this customer's questions, right? So now imagine this customer's in the position, right? They know they can put makeup on it, but in this case, they know it's not waterproof. So they're not quite sure if they can buy. What we're going to do here is we're going to see if the chatbot can then recommend them to purchase that product. I've just kind of gone a little bit out there and I've said, look, I swim twice a week because we're talking about whether it's waterproof, but really want to get rid of my acne. Do you think these would still work for me? Let's see what it says. Yes, the Acne Skin Smoothing Cream Moisturizer can still work for you even if you swim twice a week. The moisturizer features active hydromist technology, provides 24 hours of hydration, helps protect against environmental stress, blah, 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 right? Now, if we don't like this response, as a business, we can go into our dashboard and we can actually update how it's responding. But to try our product, you can add it to your cart using this link. It's actually gone ahead and it's convinced that customer to purchase that product. And in this case, I think it's actually now talking about the cream. Yeah, it's talking about the moisturizer. So where have we gone? Waterproof. Okay, cool. So we can now click this button here. We can then add it to cart, and it's already, there you go. It's built the cart for the skin cream moisturizer. Okay, so we can now tailor the conversation with people and make them buy multiple products and convince them to buy different products if one thing's not going to work. So if this product's not going to work for them, it said go ahead and use the moisturizer cream. That will work for you. Let's see if I can combine. Okay, so this is the... Again, we're going to see what happens here. Okay, so this is the moisturizer. Would this clear acne on its own, or should I use the patches with it? Now, as I say, the moisturizer page that I created doesn't actually have any information on whether it will actually clear moisturizer other than like a small couple of sentences. Yes, the product you're referring to is the Acne Skin Moisturizer Cream. It's designed to infuse the skin 48 hours, blah, 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 blah. Patches work by absorbing excess oil. If you're looking to address acne concerns, using both products together may provide more comprehensive skincare support. Here's the link to add both of those products to your cart. It's hyperlinked. Add both Acne Skin Smoothing Cream and Natural Acne Scar Removal Patch to cart. And obviously, right, we can change the way this is responding. If we find this is too much text, we can actually delete this. But if we click this button now, it's gone ahead and it's built a cart with patch of 50 and also the cream. So now that customer's been sold for £58. So the AI is able to understand the products, is able to understand the concerns the customer's going to have, is able to build cart links for those products and able to try and convert more customers. Now, what we can do, if we come into the dashboard, we can actually... if we look at the data that it's using all of this additional data that we've trained the chatbot on. We can actually train that chatbot and give it links and access to discount codes. So I've just added that additional data to the chatbot. So now we're going to come back to here and we're going to say, okay, for the, what is it? We're looking for the moisturizer and acne patches together. Is there any way I can get a discount? Okay, and we're going to see what it does. And again, right, this is part of the training that we do for the AI. So if the AI gets this incorrect, we can update it, we can change it, we can make sure that it's using the up-to-date information. So it's going to go ahead, it's going to read both product pages and it's going to add up the prices. To purchase the moisturizer and acne patches together and potentially get a discount, you can add both products to your cart using this link. It's created a separate link for both of them by adding both items to your cart. Okay, so it doesn't yet know of that discount code. So if we come back into here, we can actually come to the instructions of that different that chatbot, and we can give it those discount codes. Okay. So I've just asked it, right, can you give me any discount codes? And now it's got access to that welcome 10 for 10% off. And the way that I did that is I just added that to the instruction here. So now it's actually got that access to that information. So you can see how cool that is, right? And if there's any problems or anything, I can then submit a support ticket. And submitting a support ticket is basically a way for customers to reach out to human support. So if they've got a problem with their order, or if they've got a problem with the products that they're buying, or they want a refund or anything like that, the chatbot will then refer them to talk to human support, and then that information will then appear within the company dashboard. So you can see the information here. Somebody has submitted a support ticket asking for a refund. It's prioritized it and it's categorized that for us. So now what we're doing, right, we're increasing our order value because we are bundling products together. We're helping customers understand that products can work well together, and we're actually building shopping carts for them. If the AI, in this case, right, so on the website, if the AI comes back with a response that we're not happy with, so this response here is not perfectly well formed, what we can do is we can actually take this message and we can go into the chatbot. We can then ask it this question, and then we can then adjust the response. So we can see this message, right? We can see this in the message history. Let me see if it's loaded through yet. Like, for example, this one here, I think is the... Yeah, this is the message that somebody that we asked live on the website. If we see this and we're not happy with this, we can now actually adjust this response on our website, okay? So, for example, we want to get rid of this. We can then say... So I've just added in the discount code, and I've added both of these products to cart in one link. And by the way, if you work with us, this is something that we do for you. We just manage the whole process. We just make sure everything's working. Now, when we come back to the website, if we ask it if the moisturizer or acne, whatever the question was, and we go in here and we ask it again, it should now have updated to use the new updated response. To purchase the moisturizer and acne patches together, you can potentially get a discount. You can add both, whatever, use this discount code, add to cart. You can click that link. It's now using the new add to cart link with both of those products for £58. Okay, so it's incredibly quick and incredibly easy to do, to build, to manage, and obviously it increases your average order value and your conversion rates. And it's exactly what I used with this company, right? And if you don't trust me or believe me, we've got over 12,000 people using this product, and these are just some screenshots of some people who've used it. This guy's doing $42,000 a month with AI product recommendations. This guy's doing $50,000 a month with AI product recommendations using my software. This guy, $1,000 a day using my software, right? It increases conversion rates. It increases average order value. And also, as an added bonus, it also reduces your costs with customer service and customer support. So that is what I recommend you do. If you're at the point where you're scaling your business, or you've already got a business and you want to give yourself more chances of success, give me a call. If you click the link down below here, you can get on a call with me. I'll do a demo. I'll talk to you about it. If you've got any questions, I can help you answer those questions using our software. Now, finally, I want to talk to you about social proof. And social proof is very, very important to increase the sales and increase conversion rates on your website. So this is an example of social proof. Social proof is a way of showing people that other people agree that your product's good. Other people buy your products. Other people can trust you through social proof. And you can do this in multiple ways, right? You can get influencers to promote your products and then put that information on your website. Or what you can do is actually get images like this from customers, and you can get feedback from customers and gather feedback from customers to send you photos of them using the product, and then you can add that to your website. Because when somebody comes onto your website and they see this information, they are much more likely to purchase because they know that that product arrives and that product's good. Every single one of these images is a 5-star review, right? And you can obviously scroll through and you can look at all of these different ones. You can also, get videos from people and they can actually show off your product and all of this stuff, right? Now, this is something that comes a lot later when you're building your business. Obviously, you've got to get people to go ahead and purchase the products, and then you've got to get them to film you a video. And there's ways to do this by basically giving them discount codes if they want to come back again, and sending them free products and that sort of stuff. But social proof is huge in increasing conversion rates in your business, and it's definitely something that you should be adding. Another part of social proof is also having review stars on your product page, right? And then you can see all of these people that are using the product and are getting results from the product. So now when somebody lands on the page, they're much more likely to purchase the product because they know that thousands of other people have bought it and it's worked for them. It's basically the same with what I just showed you with my software and all the thousands of people who've been using it. So I hope this video helped you out. There will be 2 more videos coming out. I don't know when they'll be coming out, whether they'll be coming out very soon or in the next couple of days, about how to scale your products and fulfill them. And then also a bit about influencer marketing and scaling your ads. So I went through advanced advertising in one of the earlier ones. Can't remember which one it was, this one, lesson 6. I want to talk to you about how to actually scale those ads, and then also a quick case study on how I use AI in e-commerce for this store that I've been talking about, and just give you some more demonstrations of Chat IQ actually working for our customers.